Hello and welcome to another TopTipper tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how to add multiple properties if your organization has more than one location that you want to set up tipping for. So navigate to your dashboard at mydashboard.toptipper.co. It'll land you here, and then you're just going to select on the left side, Manage Properties. As you can see in our demo account, we already have 3 properties listed. Let's say we just added a 4th. So we select Add a Property. We're going to call it TopTipper Palace. This information is obviously optional. You can upload a logo, totally up to you. Then you go to the next page. You could select an existing manager as the manager, and this is obviously optional, or add a different manager if there's a different manager for this location in their email, and they'll have access. And you select Finish. And then you can see that that location is now listed in the properties. And you can go in here, you can see its QR code, its tipping URL. You can see the property info. If you selected a different logo, that'll show up, or this is the one that's already on here. And then within here, you can add a manager, you can add services, you can add employees. If it's a hospitality property and you want to have different rooms, you can add that. Totally up to you. Our system offers tons of customization and flexibility to make it as simple or as complex as you choose. Any questions, we're always here at support@toptipper.co. Thank you so much.